Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. If you have ever found yourself stuck writing reports, building presentations, or even designing websites from scratch, you are going to love this. Today, I am showing you an insanely powerful AI tool that makes content creation faster, smarter, and way easier. Meet Skywork. More than just an AI chatbot, it's a complete smart workspace powered by AI agents that can instantly generate documents, slide decks, spreadsheets, websites, podcasts, and even detailed research reports, all in just a few clicks. Skywork is like having an AI research assistant and content designer in one. It builds complex, insightful documents and styles them with precision all without switching tools. Alright, let's jump in and see what Skywork can do. Click the link in the description to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you are in, you will be greeted by a clean modern dashboard. Right on the homepage, you will see powerful tools like deep research, reliable writing, and more. All just a click away. Once you are in Skywork, you will see a search bar right at the top. That's where you start. Let's start by creating a document using Skywork. You can either upload a file or simply type in a prompt. I am just going to type a simple prompt to show you now how it works. Like I type create a document on the top 5 AI video generation products. Underneath you are different content types you can pick from: general, research reports, blogs, academic papers, and more. I am going with the general option for now. It's quick and flexible. Once you hit generate, Skywork will begin working on your request. Within moments, it may prompt you with a few follow-up questions like language, document, length, title, and more. You can answer them yourself or simply let Skywork decide automatically based on your initial input. After that, just click continue and Skywork will get to work on generating your content. The process may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and how detailed your request is. Once it's done, your content will be clearly structured and ready for preview. Let's preview it. New tab. Here is a complete well-structured document on the top 5 AI video generation platforms of 2025 as requested, including table of contents, introductions, evaluations, criteria, comparative analysis, future trends, and conclusion. You can easily preview the complete document, switch to code view, copy the text, or download it instantly. Whatever suits your workflow. Need to make edits? Just head over to the Edit tab. From there, you can tweak the wording, update information, add sections, or refine the formatting to your liking. Skyworks Document Builder acts like your personal creative assistant, taking care of your heavy lifting so you can focus on the finishing touches. Once you are happy with the content, simply review, edit, or click publish. Now let's move on to create slides. The next feature, slides. Creating presentations with Skywork is quick, intelligent, and completely effortless. It helps you craft stunning slides and present with impact all in just a few clicks. Simply type your topic or upload file, hit generate, and watch Skywork turn your ideas into a polished professional presentation. This time I want to design a slide presentation covering the basics, types, applications, and future of artificial intelligence. In seconds, Skywork gets to work on your presentation. Before generating the slides, it will prompt you to enter a few key details like the title, the main focus of your strategy, application area, and more. You can either fill in the details yourself or let the AI handle it for you. Then click Continue and Skywork will generate a clear to-do list and automatically begin building your presentation. Once your slides are generated, you will get a professional designs presentation with everything clearly structured, visually polished, and easy to navigate. This overview covers the fundamentals, type, and applications of artificial intelligence along with its future prospects. It also explores key historical milestones, core concepts, and the role of machine learning in AI development. Next up, let's check out Create Sheets, one of Skywork's standout features here. With Skywork Sheets, you can instantly generate details, spreadsheets using just a simple prompt. You can also upload your own files and the AI will handle the analysis and formation for you automatically. Just drop in your file or enter a prompt and hit generate. It's that simple. This time I upload a sheet file of sales data and give it prompt that analyze the sales data.csv files and summarize revenue trends, top performing products or regional breakdown. Add visual charts. Now hit generate. After answering a few quick prompts, Skywork will generate a clear to-do list and automatically begin analyzing your file, and in few minutes, it will generate customized spreadsheets for you. Clearly structured, data ready and easy to work with. Let's preview the sheet in a new tab. Here you will find all the sales data that will be used for analysis, including monthly revenue analysis, product performance analysis, and a detailed regional analysis. You can see how beautifully Skywork has generated the analysis sheet complete with charts and tables that clearly present the data. From here you can share it and download it. Now let's explore one of the most powerful tools in Skywork, the web page generator. A web page generator, fast and effortless way to build stunning responsive websites. All it takes is a simple prompt and Skywork instantly turns your idea into a fully functional web page. No design or coding skills needed. I give prompt that generate a modern portfolio website from a freelance graphic designer with an about section, project gallery and content form. In just seconds, Skywork starts processing your request. It may prompt you with a few follow-up questions like your preferred layout or which sections to include. You can answer them yourself or let the AI decide and fine-tune the settings for you. Then just click continue and Skywork will generate a clear to-do list and start building your website automatically. Skywork builds your site with everything you need from images and headings to navigation menus and interactive components. This is the full website featuring the complete design, portfolio and contact details. Everything is neatly organized and professionally designed for a seamless user experience. Want to make it your own? Just open the HTML or CSS view and you can copy, edit or export the code however you like. Up next, let's dive podcast into another exciting tool. Whether you are launching a new show or creating a quick episode, Skywork makes podcasting effortless. Just enter a topic or upload a file, hit generate and the AI will craft a complete podcast script and even produce our readouts audio files for you. I asked to create a podcast episode script on the rise of generative AI, including an intro, main discussion, and closing summary. Within seconds, Skywork delivers a complete podcast episode, including script and audio. It's ready to play, download, or share, no editing required.
Welcome, listeners. We're thrilled to have you join us for today's exciting episode on the evolution of generative AI, milestones, and key innovations. I'm here with my co-host, and we're about to embark on a fascinating journey through the history of AI.
That's right. We've got a lot to cover, from the early foundations to recent breakthroughs. Let's start by turning back the clock to the mid-20th century.
Here in the General tab, you can request about anything from charts and social media thumbnails, intro, jingles, and other custom contents. Just type in what you need and Skywork will deliver it in the right format. Whether it's text, audio, visuals, or a mix of all three. And that wraps up today's video. As you have seen, Skywork makes it incredibly simple to create everything from documents and slide to spreadsheets, web pages, podcasts, and more, all in one place. You will find the link in the description below. Give it a try and see what you can build. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.